Well, hey there, good looking. So you're ready to rock out with your crock out again. Great, because we're gonna sit there and we're gonna caramelize onions up. And we're gonna do it the easy way. We're gonna be rocking out with our crocks out, and that's right, we're cooking them up in the crock pots. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. Now down in my crock pot, I have 1 bag of yellow onions. Now to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So let's add the olive oil. Now let's go ahead, add a teaspoon of crushed black pepper, maybe just a tad more. Add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Psst, come closer to the camera. A little bit closer. A little bit closer. I got a big secret. Now, remember, you heard it here. Now, if you want all of your onions to evenly brown up, this is a top secret. Add half of a teaspoon of baking soda. That's right. Baking soda. It will help you evenly brown up all of your onions. Now, a lot of chefs of the big restaurants, they don't want you to know this, but that's how they get their caramelized onions to look so perfectly well done. So, let's go ahead and add that baking soda. Now, let's grab ourselves a spoon, and we're gonna sit there and give everything inside the crock pot a good stir. Okay, we're gonna keep stirring it up until you think that all of them slices of onion are all nicely covered and everything is all well mixed. We're gonna grab that cover. We're gonna put our cover on. We have our cover locked on. We have it set on low. And we're gonna sit there and cook this for 10 hours. I'll see you then. Okay, it's been time, and oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, do you see how nice and evenly browned everything is? I'm telling you, it's that baking soda. Now, I have to sit there and make this fast because my voice is going again. I showed you how easy it was to rock out with your crocks out making caramelized onions. Now if you're interested in canning them up, please follow the directions down below. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell, that way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings.